Are you looking for an amazing set of pots and pans? This is a 7-piece set of made-in 5-ply stainless steel cookware. It includes a stock pot, a sauté pan, a saucepan, and a non-stick frying pan. And they're all made in Italy. The brand is known for its high-quality pots and pans and other cooking utensils that are designed to provide exceptional performance and durability. Made-in is known for its premium stainless steel that's built to last through daily use in the kitchen. I love that they have a sleek and modern design, so they're not only practical, but they're beautiful as well. You don't even need to use oil in them. The best part is that they're easy to clean and maintain. Another thing I love is that they give you even heat distribution so that your food cooks evenly. You won't even have to worry about burning things like sauces and soups. They're also very versatile and can be used in all types of stovetops. They're oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can roast and bake with them. Chefs love using them. Made-in stainless steel cookware is an excellent choice if you're looking for high-quality cookware that's built to last. I know they'll last a lifetime.